Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tucking into some Wolf's Blend from Mission Pipe Shop, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. It's a rather stormy day in North for Sales today, so wanted to do a pipe review, wanted to do it on the deck. That just wasn't in the cards. So we're down here back at the bench. Got a new little setup. I got my mirroring program that's actually working this time. So once again, when I'm looking down, I'm looking at me. But today we're going to tuck into and do a little review of a blend called Wolf's Blend. It's a proprietary blend, from Mission Pipe Shop in San Jose. 950 the Alameda in San Jose. I have a friend who lives out there who's a fellow piper, Terry T-Bone. I'll leave a link to his Instagram. He's the one that recommended the McBaron's Black Ambrosia. Leave a card for, wait, I think I was thinking, cards come up here. So I'll leave a card right up here for that. And follow his Instagram. Dude buys some amazing pipes. And he actually just got an artesian pipe yesterday or today that he's going to be posting about. And it's going to be a poker. It's from Neil Monnier, and it's going to be beautiful. Anyway, Wolf's Blend. And this is it. Let me get that on there. Yeah, from Mission Pipe Shop in San Jose. Now, full disclosure, I looked at their website, and it's a little wonky, but you can navigate it. This, Terry actually was there getting something and mailed it to me. So I did not buy this off their website. That was gifted to me through Terry. So I've smoked this blend. I got my book out. You think I would have got to the right page, but I didn't. Let's, I already packed it up. I did my char light. I'm smoking out of my system pipe because this is an aromatic blend. It's not real heavy. It's not real light. It's kind of right in the middle. I think it's got a real good flavor to it. Got my cup of coffee. Ooh, steamy. It has a lovely, lovely kind of sweet, I don't want to say sugary flavor on that when you're first getting it lit. Maybe a little bit of sugar. It is, I think it's very nice. So, I got my book. Wolf's Blend, Mission Pipe Shop, San Jose. It was gifted to me from Terry. Seems to be a black Cavendish base. It's a very good aromatic. Very good aromatic. Burns cool. Moisture was slightly wet. Although I didn't really dry it out, and I tend not to dry my tobaccos out, which maybe I should, but different people, like Parsimonious Piper always says, he doesn't really dry his tobaccos out because he feels you get the best flavor when they are maybe a little moist. You may have to do some relights, but you get more flavor. If it is a super, super wet blend, I will let it sit out. Moving on, moisture is slightly wet. I didn't dry out, but I said it burned fine. Smoked it out of my Peterson system pipe, which I'll talk about in a moment after that. And I said, I got a great like maple and brown sugar flavor. That's that, especially that first hit. Just sipping along with a cup of coffee. It was smooth. The retrohale was smooth. There was no bite. And all in all, I thought it was a really good, relaxing blend. Once again, it's an aromatic. And, I've talked about don't get on people because they like to smoke aromatics. And it's not that I like to smoke them. I like to smoke pipe tobacco. And this one just happens to be an aromatic, and it is lovely. Like I said, though, I will leave a link for them, their website, in the description below. I get a lot of flavor from this. It burns good. It is typical of most aromatics. Look here. Didn't check my mic. That it does, toward the bottom of the bowl, you'll lose the big flavor punch. But I haven't really found an aromatic that tastes the same at the bottom as it does at the top. This lighter. Now, what I was going to say about my system pipe. Since I have you here, please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share it around to people you know. Friends, family. No, but really, I'm up over 300 subscribers. Thank you very much. I love all the comments. And I like putting these videos out. Like I said, I'm not changing, it's not earth-shattering videos, but it's fun to do, and I do like it. So please, if you could like, subscribe, share it around, tell people, hey, watch this guy. He's got a garden, got an RV, smokes pipes, builds things out of pallets. It's all fun. So the system pipe. I've come to the conclusion, basically, that all the aromatics that I like to smoke, and if they do even get a little heavier ones that I'm not 100% with, the system pipe is the way to go. It always burns cool. It takes the moisture down into the chamber right there. And I will smoke the same blend in just a regular billiard or something like that. And sometimes it will heat up and maybe I will get a little tongue bite, or I'm running a pipe cleaner down there a couple times during smoking that bowl. But I just don't run into that with the Peterson system pipe. So if you're out there, new piper, old piper, whatever you are, and maybe you're smoking some blends or getting a little hot, or maybe you just want to try some aromatics because you're like, oh, I'm tired of the English blends. I'll smoke some aromatics. Pick a system pipe up. I really like it. But just a quick review. But like I said, Mission Pipe Shop. And if you're out in California watching this, check them out. Shoot me some comments if you live by there. Some of your other favorite blends from Mission Pipe Shop. But I will leave a link for them down below. And get on the website, give them a look, and check it out. Get some Wolf's Blend for sitting on the shelf and have something relaxing. Well, hey, I'm Noah. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.